Hey, what's up? It's Tony the Closer here. Welcome to the channel. This episode is going to be one that really just crushes my heart. Today, I'm having to give away my dogs that are 8 and 7 years old, Max and Mimi. I'm moving to Miami, and unfortunately, where I will be living at, they don't allow Bullmastiffs, and they're just too big. So I can't take my dogs with me on the move. So I'm having to give my dogs away. The only good news is that the dogs actually stay in the family. My uncle's coming from Washington, D.C. today. He should be here in like 5 hours, and he's gonna come pick up Max and Mimi, and he'll be taking care of them, which will be so appreciated. So at least I'll get to see them again. Real quick, before this video gets started, you see all the good stuff that's gonna come in the content. And if you're a dog owner, I want you to tell me right now, what type of pet do you own? If you have a dog, tell me your dog's names in the comment. And do me a favor right now, like this video. Be sure that you turn on that bell notification so you get all the notifications when I come on with new videos. I know you guys are enjoying the content because my views are going crazy. So enjoy the episode. Damn, my dogs are gonna be gone, man. Shit. I'm completely like crying inside right now, 100%. 100% crying in the inside. Like, this is some bullshit. This day sucks. Like, shit. Yeah, animals always get on your fucking nerves until you gotta get rid of them. And then you're like, hey, I actually like these motherfuckers. Yeah, it's fucking, it kinda hurts. Final countdown. My uncle's like less than 5 minutes away. It's been 8 years plus with having these dogs in my life, so this shit is like, I don't like it much. But the good news is both my dogs going to a family member, right? So it's not the last time I'll get to see them. I'm used to seeing them all the time. Now it's gonna be less often, but my family from Washington, D.C. will be here shortly, and they'll be picking up and getting a new home. He need a little training, like, but he's not gonna bite nobody. Like, neither one of them gonna bite nobody, but they will fight each other. Like, if they in the same, like he likes to try to bogart whatever space she's in. So you'll see on the top of her head, she got a couple of scratches where, like, right now she, like, well, a couple weeks ago she was in heat. So when every time she go in heat, she not giving nothing up, and he be trying, and she just, you know, she gonna tear him up, and he just gonna keep trying. Both of them gonna be like, just as far as giving love and all that, like, they both good dogs.
So how old is this one?
7.
Okay, so 8 and 7. It's like Coco and Taz when we got them. We gotta see how they react to other dogs.
It might look like he attacking, but he a playful ass dog. He just gonna jump around, and he needs somebody that's gonna give him like the walk and jumping around. He just want to jump, like, and it'll look like he about to do something, but he literally playing. If you see, I'm always like kneeing him down or whatever. He like a bouncy. He's like super wiry. Like, he just need to get out and just get around and bye, Mimi. Max. See you later, buddy. That's my man right here. This shit hurt right here. He the one that like hurt.
Right.
Ooh, he hurt.
Like I said, he'd be in good hands.
Damn, this is my big boy right here. I'm a bad motherfucker.
On your side.
Good, buddy.
Nice and calm.
Good. It's finally sinking in that Max and Mimi are gone. One thing about being a pet owner, you get attached. Like, anybody that has a dog, you know, like, this is like having a kid, and whew, getting a little bit of the emotion here. But if you guys like this content, do me a favor, like, comment, subscribe, and tell me below, what type of dog do you have? What type of pet have you got attached to you? If you're a dog owner, I'm sure that you've been, probably in some experience, whether you had a pet pass away or you had to give a dog away. God, it sucks. See you on the next video, guys.